Alrighty, so today our learning target is I can describe examples of human adaptation and modification in South Asia. So, what you're going to do first is you're going to get out the notes that we have been working on all week. And I'm going to undo that. So, you're going to find your map that looks like that. Flip it over, and we so far have answered all but the last two questions. So on the last two questions, you're going to set up your sentence starters, and you should write the title of the video I watched was, because you're going to choose one of the three. And then you're going to tell me whether the video was about adaptation or modification. So your sentence starter says, the video was about. If the video was about adaptation, you write adaptation. If it was about modification, right in here, you write modification, and then because. So you're telling me the reason why it was about adaptation or modification. So let's look back at what adaptation and modification are. So remember, human adaptation is the process by which people become more accustomed to their environment. When people make adjustments to cope or deal with their environment, such as when the weather gets really, really cold, we put on more layers of clothing like jackets, long sleeve shirts. We might layer them on top of each other so we don't freeze. And when it's like super hot, we might wear something like shorts and tank tops and flip-flops. And we might throw our hair back or away from our faces and our necks. Environmental modification is the process by which human activity permanently changes the environment, or when people change the earth to fit their needs, such as deforestation, building of dams, building of roads, and things like canals, etc. So, you're going to go to slide number 4 and choose one of the three videos. You're either going to choose India's pollution problem, floating schools in Bangladesh, or living bridges. Now, you can either click on the hyperlink, or what's easier is just to click on the video and it'll start playing.
There is a toxic brew in much of the air.
So, you can choose one of the three videos. Again, after you've chosen, you're going to go back to your notes, write the title, and tell me what the video is about. After that, you're going to get into Schoology and log into Schoology. And then you're going to go click on Social Studies, click on Fourth 9 Weeks, week of March 28th through April 1st. Click on Wednesday, March 30th, and do the Schoology exit adaptation and modification. Okay? You're going to complete that. So, on this one, you have 3 attempts to make a 70 or higher. And you will be able to see after your first attempt what you got right, what you got wrong, and the corrected answers. Remember, this is for a grade, so it should be pretty easy to make a 70 or higher. Alrighty, guys? And that's it. Make sure you complete it and turn it in. Alrighty, I will see you guys Thursday. Bye-bye.